Yeah, guys, so when we were on vacation in Puerto Galera, go up here, we gotta come to food trip. I say food trip because I ate it down there last time, and it wasn't like this. Down there has the better food, I'm sure. But here, this mango shake, you know they got this thing here, don't come here. See this little stand? Don't come to the stand. Go get the mango shake from Food Trip Lady. I want the Puerto Galera sign. No. It was Christmas and also Christmas Eve, so and then also it was pouring rain, so he didn't work, which is good. So we're able to get the footage, and it should be done probably in 3 to 4 days.
Fair enough. Almost done. Now we just gotta paint it and then paint the concrete here. So that's why it took another week. But can't wait to have it done. We have the connection set up to where we can hook the washing machine up. To me, it's worth it. And once this is all painted, what color you want to make this, Kay? Which one?
The bottom concrete. Oh, burgundy.
White and burgundy?
Match that.
Yeah, that one,
right?
Yeah.
Burgundy match that, right?
So Jay, we're gonna be a construction worker soon.
Yeah. Either burgundy or orange. Nah, orange gonna look ugly. Burgundy. And then you can paint the house burgundy. No, I'm going now. Look at live raw action. Yeah, burgundy. I don't know. I think it works because the top is burgundy. So I think making it all uniform makes sense.
And Kuya gotta do the PPE. Let's clean it up this here. So yeah, the cats, there's cats that keep coming over here. And at night, cats were here. And they were staying on the carpet. I don't mind it, only thing is that, and it's extremely annoying when you're working. So I don't like it. So I chased them out of here.
Okay, update. So this is the updated. Hello kuya. May socket na kami. Pwede na mag-washing machine. Here's the white one.
Hey guys, so the patio is almost done. We just gotta go back now after New Year, paint it ourselves. We may make it burgundy. I think I may make it orange. Actually, not orange. It's gonna look crazy if it's orange. May do tan. I'm thinking tan. Tan may work. So maybe make it tan or a plain black or blue. Not black. I don't know yet, but maybe it'll be tan. But anyway, guys, here we're gonna work here next. There's a lot to be done here. I'm not gonna show it yet. You guys are gonna see us working on it next. We're going to make an official bathroom with like a door. Because right now, I'll show you guys soon the door. It's not even a door to the bathroom. It's just open, and there's no curtain, nothing to keep people from seeing you while you're showering. The good thing about it now is that it's not a problem because there's nothing but ladies here, but it's gonna need something. So yeah, we're going to section that off. Also, we're going to section off the back room over there. That's the door going to the back room. We're gonna section it off to make like a hallway there, so we can have a room to stay in when we're here. Because what's gonna happen is me and Kay will be out here, staying here while we're fixing up our place. So we're not gonna pay hotels. Say if we're out here for a week, we're not gonna pay, say for instance, 10,000 for the whole week or even more. That's how much it would be, 7 to 10,000, even if it was 1,000 a day. We wanna make sure we're not wasting money, so we're gonna fix up here. So I'll say it like this, say if we spent 10, 20,000, even 30 here, and we're gonna be here for months at a time, it makes sense. We can't wait to get started actually. We're gonna get started soon. And yeah, we're gonna be out here a lot more in Kay's hometown. Guys, stay tuned for that. Guys, I'm working right now and I'm going all the way to 6 in the morning. I didn't even take a 15-minute break yet, but I'm used to doing that. I'm trying to knock down this work order, which is driving me crazy. I actually tried working on it for about a week now. But anyway, I'm not going to get too much deep into that. Guys, be sure to stay tuned. Also, buy me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/JTBF. Also, I'm going to set it up to where you guys can book consultations there. Want to buy me a coffee? Yeah, whatever you guys would like to know about the Philippines, just contact me. I'll let you know. Or whatever information you would like to know, even if it's not pertaining to the Philippines, contact me and I'm willing to speak with you. But anyway, other than that, guys, over and out. See you next video. Peace.